Alright, y'all, so out here, I opened up everything in my unit. I cracked the refrigerant line on 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 the discharge line. That noise you hear, that's the Freon bleeding out of it. That's the motor. It's a pretty big unit here. That's the copper. I'm gonna take that to the scrap yard, get some money for it. About $3 a pound. There's a copper aluminum. Then I'll have all the rest of the metal. You hear that noise? That's the refrigerant line that I cracked. Get all the refrigerant out of it. There's the compressor. That's the motor. That's gonna be a pretty heavy motor. I got more shit in my car. Alright, go away. I got this. That's a motor. That motor out of there. This unit here actually has a lot of copper in it, because all this right here, all that is copper right there. Look at all that. That's copper, that's copper, that's copper. This is copper going to the evaporating line. That's actually a big piece of copper there. That actually has to be cut.